Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. Make the move 5608 Skimmer Drive, Apollo Beach, Florida. This fully remodeled and well-maintained 2004 David Weekley Manatee floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a spacious loft, formal office, formal dining room, a downstairs primary suite, and over 3,500 square feet of thoughtfully updated living space. Located on a saltwater canal with direct, no-bridge access to Tampa Bay, this home offers both comfort and functionality with major upgrades already completed. From the curb, you'll notice the large covered front porch and mature, well-kept landscaping. Inside, the main living area features custom built-ins and soaring 24-foot ceilings that fill the space with natural light. The home has been upgraded with LED lighting throughout, high-end light and bath fixtures, and hardwood flooring across the main level. The kitchen was fully remodeled in 2022 and includes quartz countertops, a new refrigerator, a KitchenAid 36 gas cooktop, GE monogram wall ovens with a built-in microwave combo, pantry, tall upgraded cabinetry, a center prep island, and seating for 4 at the main island. The open layout continues into a cafe-style dining area, creating a great space to gather and enjoy the view. The downstairs primary suite includes a hurricane-rated exterior door, 2021, that leads directly to the back pool deck and straight to the hot tub. The primary bathroom has been fully renovated with a standalone soaking tub, a custom marble walk-in shower, and dual sinks with custom cabinetry. Bring your purses, shoes, and hats. This primary closet is giant. Upstairs, the second full suite with private bath provides space for guests, a game room, theater, or second office. 2 additional nicely sized bedrooms upstairs share a full bathroom. The spacious second-floor loft has ample space for a TV area, gym, or playroom, flexible living ready for your family's footprint. This is a true smart home with many systems, including appliances, garage doors, sprinklers, cameras, and lighting, controlled through an app. The home is equipped with a Ring security system hardwired throughout, monitoring the home and all windows and doors. Recent upgrades include 2 Train air conditioner systems, 2016, new roof, 2020, interior and exterior paint, 2020 gas water heater, 2021, window tinting, 2018, plantation shutters throughout the first floor, 2023, new water softener, 2023, and a fully renovated garage, 2024, with epoxy flooring, built-in shelving, and custom lighting. Out back, you'll find a heated saltwater pool and spa, 2021, surrounded by artificial turf and mature palm trees, creating a low-maintenance, relaxing outdoor space. The outdoor kitchen, 2020.